What's up, CEOs? Back after a short break or a short reset, bringing you more of what you need to succeed. Okay, I missed you, so hopefully you have been getting your mind right so that you can make the next move in your dealer license / dealership journey. Okay, so if you don't know who I am, then I'm Shamel Leonard. I'm your auto dealer mentor, and what I am bringing you is your 5-year business plan so that you can start up, grow, and exit in a profitable and wealthy way with your dealership. Okay, so if you like this video, like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. I forgot I needed the mic. So yes, if you like this video right now, because people are trying to find this information, and just like you found it, if you like it, then the algorithm knows to show this to more people. Okay, so please do like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. And also, if you're on YouTube, join the Facebook group, the Dream Dealership Facebook group. Okay. All right. Awesome. So I'm bringing you your 5-year success plan from startup to execution to wealthy exit. Okay. That is what the Auto Dealer Business School is here to do. This video today is about dealer license clearance so that you can finish what you start in a great way. And what you start is your dealer license application in this situation. Okay. So this video is sponsored by Drama-Free Licensing, where we get you approved fast. Okay. And we do all the work. So you can start out as a true CEO with the expert team that helps you to get into business. So if you're ready to get started or almost ready to get started with your dealer license, then schedule a strategy session. Okay. I'm going to offer you a free strategy session so that you can talk out whatever it is that is still a question in your mind about how to get going. All right. So comment strategy in the comments so that I can send you the link so you can get your strategy session. All right, CEOs. So I do want to congratulate, since we're talking about drama-free licensing, some of our new dealers. There are new dealers who have joined the Auto Dealer Society. So let's give a great congratulations to Rock Wheels LLC in Missouri. Okay. Yay! Carpool Auto Dealer Inc. in California. Yay! Precision Auto Center in Michigan. Yay! Brothers Quality Cars in Georgia. Yay! Okay, and we have more applications pending approval right now. All right. So yes, people all over, everyday people are becoming licensed dealers. And this video is actually sparked by one of the recent approved dealers, because he was so excited. Like, he didn't think he was going to be able to get licensed because of the past. And what I did was I just made sure his past was clear to be approved. But even throughout the process, he was doubting. People were talking. They were like, no, you ain't gonna get it. It ain't gonna work for you. And then when he got approved, he was like, I'm not even gonna say nothing until they start just seeing cars. Okay. I was like, yes. So he was so excited. So this is what dealer license clearance can do for you. All right. Let's congratulate those new dealers. And then let's talk about how you can clear yourself to get licensed. All right. So, dealer license clearance is basically like a pre-approval when you have some questionable situations going on. Okay. One, of course, is a criminal past. So if you have ever been arrested, even if it was 100 years ago, you need to disclose that, and it will be considered as part of your application process. Hey, Nathaniel, what's up? So if you're wondering, though, if your past is going to hinder your future, then what you can do is every state has rules or laws, or they call it code, or law code in a lot of different states. You know, it's one of those names, law code. Okay. You can look up the law code for the auto dealer process, and they list in there, like, if you have prior offenses, like, what is the time frame you need to wait per offense, what offenses are acceptable, what's the process if you have a felony or a misdemeanor of this class. They break it all down, so you can look at the law code and you can determine if you meet those requirements for the criminal history to pass, and then you can clear yourself and move forward from there. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions there. Okay, so that's one way that we work with you to clear your criminal history to make sure that you can get approved. Okay, so that's one. Two is if you have bad credit. Bad credit is going to affect your bond quote. And so if you're wondering, okay, am I going to be able to afford this? Like, is my credit too bad? Then the dealer license clearance process goes like this. You need to check to see what your bond quote will be. So you need to submit a bond quote. Of course, you're not going to have a lot of the information they ask for. So you need to put in, some information, as much information as you have to get kind of an idea of what your bond will cost with your credit history. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions about that. The other way that you need to be cleared for a dealer license is you need, what if you had like a bad driving record, right? So if you have a bad driving record, I'm talking DUIs, speeding, suspended license, what else? Accidents, right? All of that is going to affect your garage liability policy. Okay. So the way that you can clear yourself is to get the garage liability quote. Okay. And then the last part that you want to make sure that you can get licensed is that there is a location, an affordable location that works for you. Okay. So then, of course, I've already showed you how to find the location. So refer to that process, find your location, add up the numbers, and then make sure that you can afford the process. Okay. So that is dealer license clearance in a nutshell. You can do it yourself, or you can have the Auto Dealer Business School do it. We are starting to offer this because we have a lot of people who are hesitant to move forward because of these questions. But these are good questions. These are big issues. Like, this is something let's see this up front. Like, let's know what's going on up front, and then let's move forward. Okay. So we are starting to offer the dealer license clearance process on a regular basis. All right. So what do I want to tell you about that? So you don't waste your time or money not knowing for sure if you will be approved. You can move forward with confidence. You can get a more accurate startup budget, and you can avoid setbacks. Okay. Our team will do any and all of the following at your request, which is find an affordable startup location, clear your criminal history, make sure bad credit is not going to be an issue for you, or your driving record. Okay. So that you know exactly if you can move forward or not. Okay. We will startup dealers who want to be able to move forward. Okay, we can see if you will be approved. I had to write some notes down so I can make sure that I give you all the information. Okay, so it's for startup dealers who want to be sure that you will be approved so that you can move forward with confidence. You don't feel like you're wasting your time. You're not getting your hopes up and then something is not going to pan out, and you get a head start on the application process. Okay, because these are also steps in the application process for your criminal history. You have to get your court disposition papers. So if we've already found the cases in the court and all that, then you got a head start, right? So then you can move forward. It's like, all right, there's nothing else holding me back. And there's nothing else like this out there. Okay. So in the dealer meeting this week, I was talking to one of the dealers about all the different people on YouTube now that are talking about getting a dealer license, right? And there are a lot of people who are offering great information, but what he mentioned is they not like us. Okay. They got a different set of conditions than a lot of us. Okay. And so where is the service? Where is the process that helps us to figure out what we need to move forward? Well, this is it. It is dealer license clearance. Okay. So if you are needing to understand, oh, my criminal history is going to hold me back, and you don't have time to do it yourself, because I gave you how to do it yourself. This is not like some magical, mystical formula. This is just a process that we have implemented at the Auto Dealer Business School to be able to do it for you. But you can do it yourself. But if you're like, I don't have time for that, or I don't even want to go down memory lane like that, right? Like I have noticed working with a lot of dealers, they really want to forget about that part of life. Okay. They want to forget that even went down. And so to research it or to call the licensing board and talk about it is just opening a whole nother can of worms almost, right? So if that's you, if you're like, you know what, I don't even want to deal with that. I want somebody who is already familiar with that to make sure it's good. Then you can start up with the dealer license clearance process. There is a charge, but what you pay is credited to your drama-free licensing application process. After you pay, you complete a questionnaire, and then we do the rest. And in a couple of days, we'll have an answer for you. And if you are clear, if you got the green light to go, or if you need to go the alternative route, because we give you the alternative route, okay, the workaround, all right? Because I get it, like sometimes you need a workaround, okay? So then that is what we give you to make sure you can still move forward. Now you can make an informed decision, okay? With the information in these free trainings, what I'm hoping to give you is all the information you need to make a sound investment, because your business is your investment. Okay, you are investing in a retirement plan. You are investing in generational wealth. You are investing in a better life. And I am here to do more to make sure that you are more successful, so that all this money that you putting in, you get back. Okay, plus some. Okay, multiplied. Okay, what's up, Ron? All right, CEO. So if you are interested in dealer license clearance, comment clear me. Okay, and I will send you the link for more information so you can get started. All right, CEOs, listen, I took a little break because I wanted to talk to some of my dealers, wanted to see what some of the dealers I work with, not my dealers, but dealers I work with, the dealers in the network. Okay, I wanted to talk to them to understand like what more they need, what this process could be like, how could it be better. And I have put together some free trainings and also some great services to help you move forward. Okay. So that's what that's what you're going to see more of coming soon. We got tax season that we are preparing for. Okay. So we're going to talk about that. Get licensed before tax season, get cleared. Okay. Maybe you're using your taxes to help boost to start your business. Well, you need to know that money is going to be well invested. All right. So comment clear me if you are looking for dealer license clearance services. All right, CEOs, listen, I'm still praying for you. Okay. You got this. You can do this. You are at a point in your life where you know that what you're doing is not going to work full time. You need more money. You need more time. You need more purpose in life, right? And if you are thinking the car business is it for you, you love cars, maybe you're really good mechanically, maybe you're really good with people, then explore this. Get cleared and move forward and build your dream dealership, okay? Because even though I'm rooting for you and praying for you, prayer without works is dead. It is not going to do you no good. All right. So you got to take the steps, got to take the actions. You got to step out on faith, but blind faith is not needed in this situation because Auto Dealer Business School got your back. All right, CEO. So be blessed, and I'll see you in the next free training. Bye.